Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial of another viral dance, and that is the WAP TikTok dance that was created by Brian Espenson. A big thanks to Brian for creating this awesome dance. I'm a big fan of his work, so if you don't know him, go check out his stuff. And Brian has actually already made a tutorial of this dance, so if you haven't watched it yet, go check it out. This tutorial, my tutorial, is only meant for the ones that are still struggling after having watched this tutorial, alright? Also, I can't do a split, so I will show you guys other things you can do instead. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Watson, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so I'm gonna break this dance into 4 mini sections, and for each section I'm just gonna show you what we're about to learn, and then I'm gonna do a breakdown, and then we're gonna practice a few times. So, the first section I'm gonna call the kick, the drop, the twerk, twerk, twerk. So let me just show you. It's the kick, the drop, and the twerk, twerk, twerk. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, now let me break it down for you. So the first step is the kick. We want to do a prep by taking a small step with our right leg here to the front. Before we say bend, yeah, notice how I lift up my left leg, and then I say kick rock. Alright, let me just show you from the side. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm taking a step with my right, then kick. So let me just show you one more time. So right leg says prep, bend, and kick. And then right after the kick, your arms are gonna go here, open, and then this pose. I don't know what this is, a diva pose, holding 2 handbags. And then at the same time, you wanna do squat down, yeah? I'm just gonna show you from the side. So right after the kick, your arms are gonna go whoop, and at the same time, you wanna go drop into this squatting motion. And notice how my knees are not like this, yeah? Try to open up as much as you can, yeah? So again, right after the kick, arms go whoop. Okay, so from here, we want to go into the twerking position. Yeah, so you turn to your left side, throw yourself down like that. Notice how my knees are bent, my butt is a bit up, and then you want to do this twerking motion. Now, obviously, I'm not a twerking expert, but I'm just gonna show you what I do, right? So I'm just gonna show you standing up. Yeah, so what I do is I'm throwing my butt back, and in order for this to work, I can't really have straight legs here. I need to bend a bit, whoop, to be able to arch my back also a bit, yeah, whoop, out, out, out. Yeah, so my hip moving back, back, back. Yeah, so you just need to do this like that. So back, up, up, up. Now you can either do this or just fake something. I can also show you how to do this. Yeah, so basically you just turn your knees like to the front, back, back, or side to side if you look from here. Now as to how many you need to do, like the easy version is just to go 1, 2, 3, or you can just keep shaking it if you want. Yeah, up to you. Okay, so from the tip to the top, it's gonna be and kick, and diva, and ready, twerk, twerk, twerk. Now, the timing goes from the top, make it drop, that's so wet, that's so wet. Alright, time to practice. I'm gonna take it slow, I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna start, alright? So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, now from the kick, 5, 6, 7, 8, now from the kick, make it drop, that's so wet, that's so wet. Let's try that a bit faster, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from the top, make it drop. That's so wet. That's so wet. And one last time before we move on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from the top, make it drop. That's so wet. That's so wet. Alright, moving on to the next mini section, and that I'm gonna call Sea Lion Lie Down and Knock Knock Knock. So let me just show you what we're about to learn. So right after the end of mini section 1 here, we go Sea Lion Lie Down and Knock Knock Knock. Now this version is a bit different than Brian's because Brian has these extra steps where you go up, back before he goes down, and then do this part. Yeah? I mean, this version is more beginner friendly. You have more time to feel yourself, be more sexy, flirt with the camera, whatever you want. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So, right after the twerking part here, what I do is I jump down into this sea lion position, yeah? But you can also slide down to it, I guess you have enough time. Yeah, so like that. My right leg is bent here, going on my right side. And then the left is straight, yeah, and then from here, you just wanna lie down, and then you do this knock, knock, knock 3 times, and you can either do just hip, 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 or you can do like more extra, include your whole body, lift a bit more up if you want, all right? So let me just show you from another view. So from here, this is the twerking part, yeah, you wanna say sea lion, and then you wanna go lie down, and then you go knock, knock, knock. Now, let me explain the timing before we start practicing. So here, wet, that's so wet. From here, you go down on now get a mop and a bucket, that's so wet, that's so wet. All right, time to practice. So you start from here. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go now get a mop and a bucket, that's so wet, that's so wet. All right? So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now get a mop and a bucket. That's so wet. That's so wet. Let's try again a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now get a mop and a bucket. That's so wet. That's so wet. And one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now get a mop and a bucket. That's so wet. That's so wet. Alright, moving on to the third mini section, which I'm gonna call Arm Around Kick and Doggie. Alright, so let me show you what we're about to learn. So this was enough mini section 2. Knock, knock, knock. From here, your left arm is gonna go under your head like that. And then you wanna roll on your back and then say prep. So bend your legs and then you say kick. And then bend them again, and keep rolling in this doggy position. All right? So let me just rewind here. Whoop. Like that. Yeah, so we just did knock, knock, knock. Left arm is gonna go under your head here, and then you wanna roll this way, and then you wanna say kick, back, roll, doggy. I'm just gonna show you from another view as well. So here, this was in mini section 2. Knock, knock, knock. The left arm is gonna go under your head like that. Then you wanna roll this way, bend your knees, kick, keep rolling, and doggy. Now let me explain the timing before we start practicing. So the timing is I'm talking whap, whap, land on whap. Alright, so let me just rewind here. So from here, I'm talking whap, whap, whap. Alright, time to practice. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm talking about whap, whap, whap. Alright, let's try that again. Here. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm talking about whap, whap, whap. Now, the last mini section we're gonna call Hunch Your Back and Freestyle. Okay, so the new section is from here. You wanna do hunch your back, and notice how my knees and my hands are not too far away from each other, because then it's harder to hunch your back. You need to keep them a bit closer, because then it's easier to hunch your back like that. All right, so up, down, if you want, you can add the head to make it more dramatic, more extra. Yeah, so you need to, and that's so wet, that's so wet. Now from here, it's the freestyle part, so usually people do the split, but if you can't do the split, I would say just go up like this, jump up on your legs, and then you go up. From here, you can do a pose, or pose, whatever, and then you can go, that's so wet, that's so wet, huh? Alright, so let me just rewind. From here, we go, that's so wet, that's so wet, and then here, macaroni in a pot. Then you go, that's so wet, that's so wet, huh? Alright, let's just go a bit back here. Just gonna explain it one more time. So hunch your back, and that's so wet, that's so wet. From here, macaroni in pot. That's so wet, that's so wet, huh? You can also do the famous TikTok hip move if you want. So add the that's so wet, that's so wet. Macaroni in a pot. That's so wet, that's so wet, huh? Okay guys, time to do the whole thing. I'm just gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice, alright? Okay, from the tip to the top. So we go prep right and kick, down, drop, diva, throw yourself to the left, and ready to say 1, 2, twerk. From here you wanna say sea lion, and then you wanna lie down, and then you wanna 3 times and knock, knock, knock. From here your left arm is gonna come around under your head. You wanna roll around, kick, keep rolling. Here, doggy, and then you wanna say hunch, here, here, here. That's wet, that's wet. From here you wanna go up, boom. Bring yourself up. Then you wanna say pose, and whatever freestyle you want, you can go hips, 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 huh? Now, let me explain the timing as well. So it goes now from the top, make it drop. That's so wet, that's so wet. Yeah, bucket and a mop. That's so wet, that's so wet. Talking, wop, wop, wop. That's so wet, that's so wet. Now macaroni, now pot. That's so wet, that's so wet, huh? Alright guys, time to practice. I'm gonna start slow and then we're gonna gradually speed up, alright? So from the tip to the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from huh? Alright guys, let's speed it up a bit. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now huh? And one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from huh? Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. Alright, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Cardi B WAP TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.